Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Stew Buldak Ramen. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 pack of Buldak stew type ramen and any desired toppings like a soft-boiled egg or some cheese. You will also need about 2 1/2 cups of water and a small pot. This simple preparation ensures you have everything at hand for a truly delicious and satisfying meal, ready in just minutes. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the ramen noodles to the pot. Let them cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. You want the noodles to be tender but still have a slight chew, perfect for absorbing all the rich flavors. This step is crucial for achieving the ideal texture in your stew. Now, drain most of the water, leaving approximately 1/2 cup in the pot. This remaining water will create the stew base. Next, add both the liquid sauce and the powder seasoning packets. Stir everything together very well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. This is also the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, like a slice of cheese or a perfectly cooked egg. Finally, let your ramen simmer gently for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute. This allows the sauce to thicken slightly and all the flavors to meld beautifully. Make sure everything is heated through and well combined. Your delicious, spicy Stew Buldak Ramen is now ready to be served. Enjoy every warm, flavorful bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.